Hey there, PC pals. Welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to kickstart your coding journey or build amazing apps? Today, I'm going to show you how to install Visual Studio on Windows 11. Whether you're a student, hobbyist, or professional developer, this guide will help you get started the right way. Let's jump in. First, head over to the official Visual Studio website at visualstudio.microsoft.com. Click on the download button, and you'll see 3 editions: Community, Professional, and Enterprise. For most people, the free Community edition is perfect. It's packed with features for students, hobbyists, and small teams. Let's download that one. Once the installer is downloaded, open it up. You'll see the Visual Studio installer interface, which makes the setup process super simple. Now, this is the cool part. Visual Studio lets you pick workloads based on what you want to do. For example, ASP.NET and web development for building websites, desktop development with .NET for Windows apps, game development with Unity for creating games, C++ development for performance-heavy projects. Select the workloads you need. If you're unsure, don't worry, you can always add more later. Next, you can customize your installation. For example, you might want to install additional components like Git for version control or Node.js for JavaScript development. You can also choose where Visual Studio will be installed. I recommend keeping the default settings unless you have specific needs. Once everything is set, click Install and let Visual Studio do its thing. The installation time will depend on the workloads you selected and your internet speed. After the installation is complete, click Launch to open Visual Studio. The first time you open it, you'll be asked to sign in with a Microsoft account and choose your theme: light, dark, or blue. I personally love the dark theme. It's easy on the eyes and looks super cool. Now let's create a new project. Click on Create a New Project. Select the type of application you want to build, like a console app or web app, and follow the prompts to set it up. And there you have it, PC pals. Visual Studio is installed, set up, and ready to go. You're officially on your way to creating amazing applications, websites, games, or whatever your heart desires. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. Got questions or suggestions for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding!